Here I've got OnePlus 7T, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at first, let's open your Play Store. Then slide right to open more functions, go to My Apps and Games, and here you've got all applications that can be updated. And you can either update one application, for example Google Drive, just click on it, and then the latest version will be downloaded and then installed. Just give it a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see, now at the bottom of the list, you can find it under Recently Updated. You can also update all applications at once. Smoothly click on Update All, and then it will be done automatically. So that would be all. This is how you can update applications on your OnePlus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.